This is a famous question. It's a question which is asked to Bill Gates in an interview.
Oh.
The same question I want to ask you.
Wow.
If you lose everything, the whatever achievements you made in life, what is the first step you are going to take to regain that achievements?
To regain that achievement. Okay. So see, achievements like success and failures, there's nothing like a failure, you know. You either you learn or you win. You win or you learn. So even if I have lost so much in life, I have learned so much from whatever failures and successes that I have got. It is those lessons that I want to regain more than my achievements or trophies or anything. And in life, it's not definitely about achievements. There are so many people who have much less than what you have. Okay, only when you lose something do you know the importance of losing. It's about being happy with whatever you have. I would not do anything to regain those. I would make myself ready for the next ones.